All right, the last step in the process is to send text messages to either yourself, your team, or your marketing person. If you want text message notifications, a lot of realtors like the real-time notifications. LionDesk, if you input the lead into LionDesk, will automatically send a text message and email and even call you if you wanted to with the phone number that you attach to the profile. So this will happen automatically, so you don't necessarily have to do these two. But this is in case you don't have LionDesk or another CRM. You just want to get the leads to round robin to your team. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in for the third step is SMS, which is just SMS messaging. We'll choose Zapier, SMS by Zapier. All right, so you can actually trigger it to call one of your team members if you wanted to. You can get the notification either call or text. So here we'll choose the SMS because you're going to want a text message. Here is a bunch of our clients who get text messages from us now. You're going to add a new account. Don't mind my notifications up there. You click add a new account. This is what's going to pop up. You will literally type a phone number in. Don't stalk me. That's my personal phone number. Send an SMS. And then what will happen is you'll send a PIN, and it'll ask you to, that's fine, we'll just send it. It'll ask me for the PIN number. Like I'll get a text message here. It'll send you a text message from a random phone number that says your Zapier confirmation code is, and it's a 6-digit number. 120 you entered here, 327. And then what happens is, bam. Now you've got an SMS account, right? You'll get another text message notification. You edit it to whatever you want to call the account, whether it's a person, your team marketer, blah, 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 blah. It doesn't matter. I'll go delete this later. But you can choose, like I've already got my name in here, but we're just going to send, we'll just send it to me. So the next thing that happens is, now you got to pull the data. So you can choose a specific number, or you can let it choose a random number for you, and this way you know that this number, you can save this number in your phone. It'll say, you can save it as whatever you want, lead from Facebook, right? So we'll choose, for this we'll just choose a random number. And I usually send, if it's to me, I know what it is, but if I'm sending it to people, I'll usually title the message, new homes list lead Frisco 349K, right? Then I'll add the clients. Remember, you got to choose the first one. The rest of them are not going to have data to pull from. So it's always the trigger. I'll choose full name, the email, and phone number. Now, there is a lot of you guys have the mentality, and we talked about this in the psychology section up front, of this reality of if you're going to do this in mass, you want to let the automation do the heavy lifting, right? You want the text message. You want to talk to people that want to talk to you. It is true that if you can get a hold of somebody within 2 to 3 minutes, your conversion rate of locking them into becoming a client, whether it be now or 6 months from now, rises significantly, which is why we offer our concierge service. But if you can get them on the phone within the first 2 minutes, you're winning. A lot of times you're not going to be able to get them on the phone. So that's where our automation process and our follow-up sequencing comes in, right? Here in the follow-up sequencing, we're going to show you inside LionDesk how to use our follow-up sequencing, create a WooFoo form, and send it out to all of your clients on a periodic basis over the next 365 days. Okay, so we're going to save this, continue, and we are done. So, bam, we're just going to test it here. Test successful. You're going to finish making the zap. You can name this whatever you like. I usually name it our client's name, but for this one, you can also name it the campaign, like the objective campaign. So this one would be Frisco, Texas, or just Texas, 349K. Zap. Bam. Turn it on. See it on the dashboard. This might be your first one ever. So here's what you got. No, that's not. Oops. So it's in alphabetical order. So it's Frisco, Texas. You can click on it. It's on automatically now. Any lead that comes in from that ad that we created will hit Facebook. Facebook lead will trigger a zap, which will send it to LionDesk, which will send it to the email address, which will send it to your text message. Bam. We have now fully automated your lead generation process. You guys need to do a happy dance because the leads will now flow. All right, that's it for this video. I'm going to show you the results from this case study in the next video. And then stay tuned. We're going to teach you guys credit repair lead. We're going to teach you another homes list lead for post engagement ads. We're going to teach you a credit repair lead. We're going to teach you a VA mortgage lead ad. Those will be coming soon. We're going to launch this program with the fast track only initially, because when we up the price, we're going to unlock the other campaigns. So I look forward to seeing you guys over the top. Just don't quit.